Modeling is not just about competition. I think the essence of modeling is making sound and informed judgment. So when you're encountered with a real-life problem, you have to judge what are relevant and irrelevant information, what is the best approach to do it. And making judgment is so important these days in the era of AI.
The meaning of this event is to really connect this pure and abstract mathematics for practical use. And I think through many of the very challenging problems, Steve, and you guys start to comprehend not only the beauty of mathematics, but also the practicability of mathematics.
The IMMC has established itself as the most distinguished international competition in mathematical modeling for secondary students. What makes it remarkable is how successfully it has promoted STEM education by engaging students worldwide in solving real-world problems through the ingenious application of mathematics. I am confident that the summit will serve as a powerful platform for students to learn from one another. It also provides educators and teachers an opportunity to share professional insights, best pedagogical practices, and innovative ideas on mathematical modeling education. Let's work together to advance mathematics education for preparing our students to excel in the AI era and equip them with full readiness for innovation and technology.
When we set up IMMC, we talked about changing education, mathematics education, having more and more mathematical modeling as a key part of what mathematics education is. And that job is something that still remains to be done. And it's going to take thinking outside the box, and it's going to take younger people who are willing to dedicate themselves to this work as part of their regular academic achievements. This is the job ahead of us, and this is what we're going to spend our time talking about. And this is the work that we promised the world we would do, and that we in fact will do.
In this era of rapid technological advancement, what some now call the age of AGI, or artificial general intelligence, the most essential competency will be the ability to abstract real-world problems into the language of mathematics. As you look towards your own unwritten futures, I encourage you to continue to nurture the mathematical curiosity and the powerful problem-solving abilities that you have so brilliantly demonstrated here.